Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie and I upload a new video every Friday. And we have been working on the dollhouse behind me for a few months now. I was really good at the beginning and I consistently, every few weeks had a new update on what I was working on. I was posting it on my Instagram stories. And then the holidays happened and I haven't touched it since. It's now the end of January. And I redid this office space to accommodate the dollhouse so that I could have it on display. But look, there's still tape stuck to the front porch. I haven't worked on it in a long time. So that's what we're gonna do this week. I need to get this thing going because I'm so excited to start working on the inside. I've been doing coat after coat after coat of the black and the white for the trim, and I do love how it's looking. By the way, if you'd like to join me as I'm doing my tedious painting, I have been going live on TikTok, just vibing out and painting things over and over again to keep my sanity. And I spent all this time yesterday taping out where we're going to spray paint. Because I think what I need to do is just spray paint these areas with the dark charcoal gray before I paint over them in black. Because as you can see where I paint the black over the light gray, that's going to take a million bajillion coats, and I do not have the patience for that. So we're just going to spray paint it a dark gray to kind of get the ball rolling. However, I usually like to take things outside and spray paint them on the deck, but I live in Wisconsin. So this is what my deck looks like right now. So yeah, no spray painting. So we're gonna have to figure something else out.
2 weeks later.
It's like 37 degrees outside, which is above freezing. So for February in Wisconsin, I will take it. So we're gonna try and paint this real quick. You probably can't hear me because it's very windy. And then of course, I was doing this so fast, I got some little bits of gray splatter over the tape. So I'm just gonna try and fix that with the gray, the light gray. I'm like trying to rush because it's winter, but let's see if we can get this to look okay. I have to say this was so fun to paint because all of the detail work was already there embedded into the dollhouse. So I was able to just kind of have fun with color and make it look a little bit more realistic, which was good for me because I had such a hard time picking colors for this dollhouse that forcing myself to use color on the plants here kind of opened my mind up a little bit, got me more accustomed to painting things with color instead of just everything black and gray. I'm always afraid that I'm going to regret a color choice, and I think that's why I always stick with like the gray tones. But I really love how this turned out, and I can't wait to get inside and maybe explore with a little bit more color on the decor inside the dollhouse. So let me know what you guys think of the finished garden. It's so colorful compared to what I usually do, but I love it and I can't wait to get into the rooms inside. I promise it won't take me 3 months to make the next video. So thank you guys so much for sticking with me and watching, and I'll see you next week.